In today's video, I'll show you how to earn $600 each day just by viewing YouTube videos, which is a brand new method for making free PayPal money this year. So how do we do it? You'll find out in this video. The steps in this method are very clear and concise. Grab your phone out of your pocket as a first step. The second step consists of watching a brief YouTube video, and the third step is cashing out your money using a variety of payment channels, including PayPal. You can earn up to $3 for just watching a single video. As a result, you may expect to earn $60 for every 20 videos you view, for a potential daily income of $600 or more. How many videos each day do you watch? If you watch a lot of videos every day, then this will be a piece of cake for you. If you want to make the most money possible, I'll teach you exactly how this method works and which videos you should be watching. I'll guide you through the method step by step so you won't get lost when it's your turn to do it. Just make sure to pay close attention and don't miss a single detail. This method that I'll be showing you does not need any technical skills or experience. Even beginners can do this method and be successful. You do not need a large social media following or any of that. No monthly subscriptions or weekly payments. It is all 100% free. You do not need to let money out of your pockets. And lastly, this method is available worldwide. Anyone from any part of the world can do this with ease. All you need is a laptop or mobile phone to get started. But before we start, let me just tell you that this method is not a get rich quick scheme. It will not and cannot replace your day job. However, this method can help you earn extra income from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day to day expenses. All you need is a little bit of time and effort, and it will be all worth it. Now that's out of the way, sit back, relax, pay close attention, and let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. As you can see here, this YouTube video is a little more than a minute in length. When you watch these types of videos, you will receive $3 in compensation. Videos like this can be viewed on your phone or on your computer, depending on your preference. So first, I want you to go to this website called gg2u.org. Now, this website is completely free and you will not be required to make any financial investments in order to get started with it. It is possible to make money from this website by participating in surveys, playing games, viewing videos, and other activities. You'll be rewarded for things like playing games, answering surveys, signing up at sites, and installing apps. You can even earn extra while you're playing video games and by simply having their videos playing in the background of your phone or computer. It's very easy. You can also earn extra money by promoting this website. You can refer your friends, teammates, clanmates, viewers, or family members, and every time they will be given a payout or a gift card, you will get 5% of that in your account. However, for this website, we will be concentrating on watching videos because it is the most straightforward and highest paying activity that we can do. Before we start, if you have any more questions regarding this website, you can scroll down to this section and you can look at the frequently asked questions to know more information and details about this website. Now, when you sign up to GG2U, you will be given $1 sign-up bonus. To sign up, just fill in your first name, email address, username, password, and the country that you live in. After doing all that, just click on the sign up button right here and this page will appear. I want you to read this before you continue because this page tells you some important information about how to use this website. As you can see here, they will credit you with $1 for every 100 coins you earn, and the minimum payout is $7, which is 700 coins. You can then request a payout to either your PayPal account, Coinbase Bitcoin, email address, or via e-gift cards. Once you have read all the information, just click on the continue button and you can now log in. This is what the dashboard will look like, and at the upper part of the dashboard, you can see a meter to tell you how much more you need to cash out your earnings. In this section right here, you can see logos of different companies and what they have to offer. You can also see a log of your earnings on this section, and you can manage your account on this section. Now you can see that there are a lot of offers available on this website. And these companies are some of the best companies around the world, so they are truly legit. What we will be focusing on is doing offers that include watching YouTube videos. And also, please remember that some of the offers are only available for a short period of time, so please take advantage of them while they are available. In the next part of the video, I will show you how to do it and what type of videos you should be watching, so stay tuned. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. To start watching videos, just click on the big videos option right here and it will redirect you to this page. Now for every 200 video points you earn, you will receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. You can play these videos on your computer, phone, and tablet, and the videos will keep advancing automatically. So you should always try to have them playing no matter what you are doing. You can choose a variety of videos to watch. You can watch food videos, sweet videos, music videos, gaming videos, and so much more. Just pick a type of video that you want to watch, and once you do that, you just click on the Start Earning button right here, and then the video will play automatically. You can also use multiple devices at the same time. If you have a phone, then you can log in using your phone and start playing videos there too. You do not need to watch the videos, just play them in the background and you can do whatever you want. And then you earn money. See? As simple as that. Now start today and earn lots of money. Happy earning! And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.